Still blend.
No, this side.
This side. Where do I have to put it?
On my nose.
You have to close eye or open eye.
Mama, what are you doing?
Nothing. What happened?
I need you for a second.
Okay. On.
Come.
What is this?
Guys.
Surprise! We're going to pamper you for Mother's Day.
Oh my god. I do.
Sit.
Sit. And what is it?
We're gonna put makeup on you. Yeah.
That's all my makeup you're gonna use. I hope you don't spoil it. Okay.
And you also have to tell us how to do it.
I will tell you.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we're going to be having a really special Mother's Day. And today we're going to be doing my mother's makeup.
Please do it nicely, okay?
We don't know how to do makeup, so it might be bad or good. I don't
Okay,
know.
so let's begin.
What is this?
Why is this wet?
Oh, this is actually a blender.
How do you blend?
So what to do first?
Yeah.
What to do first?
I have to tell you everything.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, if you want to start my makeup, I think you should go with this. So you can add this master primer, and this is a primer plus base which will hide my open pores. Who wants to try it? You take a very little and just put it all over my face like that.
How do you open?
Open.
Oh.
That's enough. Enough.
That's enough.
Yeah.
Now
Okay. Put.
It looks like gel or something.
Yeah. Did you wash your hands before putting on? So spread it now. Spread it now. You washed your hands, I hope. Okay.
That looks way better.
Okay. What's this for? You can put this on. Foundation from Maybelline.
Dream Velvet.
Yeah, that much is fine.
Why very, very little for every single thing?
Now you take the beauty blender.
And how did this look?
Yeah, just like it.
Tap, 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 tap.
Everywhere.
Everything.
This is going to take a long time.
What are we going to do next?
Concealer. That's enough. Now blend it.
Like this.
Okay, you will take the other. Okay, don't spoil my makeup.
It's
Now
blend.
start making.
This is going to take a long time.
Okay.
That looks enough.
This is not a surprise makeup. What is
But it's the best makeup.
And
Let me get another one.
sorry. And nicely all on the face. That's all. On the forehead.
Oh,
Not
that,
only on one side.
I think it's too much. Ooh, that's looking good.
Okay, now you done, guys.
Yeah. Now what?
Now you can put blush.
Oh!
This is a blush from Nykaa. Which color do you want?
I want
Pink?
color. No, I want the best color. This one.
Was that
Makeup
it? No. Just with the brush you have to blend.
Oh.
Now you do the other side.
Oh, that actually turned out well.
You want to still blend? Keep
Yes, I
blending?
want to still blend.
No, this side.
This one. Where do I have to put it?
On my nose.
What about the other parts?
Are they equal, I think? Same?
No.
This one has much. This one has too much.
So make it equal now.
How do I make it equal?
Blend it more.
Now blend with this only.
You're cleaning it up. Okay.
Just. Hey, no!
This video is turning out great.
And the makeup is turning out great.
Is this equal, guys? The blush? Comment down below if you think.
Who do you think is the better makeup man? Me or him?
Yeah. Till now, I think this side is a. Okay, comment down below which side is darker and which side needs to blend little more. So comment करना कि कौन सी साइड ज़्यादा डार्क है और कौन सी नहीं, तो आप प्लीज़ कमेंट करना. और अब
From LA Colors 6 color eyeshadow.
Tin, 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 tin.
Oh.
I think I can make it perfect.
perfection. Let's see.
Put everywhere. We figure out how to do it. Oh. Lipstick. Look at the lipstick.
Yeah.
That was an accident. Now. Yeah. After white mode. Oh no, here. Let's put compact powder, whatever it's called.
What's the next thing?
Let's put the apple. That's enough.
My turn. Is it sharp?
Yeah, I know.
You have to close eye or open eye. Now,
This is why makeup takes so long. Now I got the answer.
next.
I think that's done. No need. No eyeliners. Sorry.
Now what?
Let's
You can
do
put the
eyeliner.
earrings.
Put earrings.
Wow, look at this, it's so cute. What about this?
Select this one.
On this side.
Hey. Then see, did you like the makeup?
Show me. It's pretty good, guys.
Yeah, it's really good. Except the right eye is a bit.
What? What did you do? Oh yeah.
Hope you like our makeup, mom.
Yes.
And happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there.
Happy Mother's Day to everyone. everyone. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.
And don't forget to like,